Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream with whipped cream. This simple technique allows you to transform lighter, store-bought whipped cream into a richer, more versatile product. It's perfect for when you need a denser cream for recipes, but only have whipped cream on hand. We'll cover the essential steps and tips to ensure you get the perfect consistency every time. Get ready to elevate your desserts and dishes with this easy trick. To begin, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 cup of pre-made whipped cream, which can be from a can or a tub. For the best results, use a stand mixer with a whisk attachment or a good quality hand mixer. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk for at least 15 minutes beforehand will significantly help achieve the desired texture. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now let's get to the whipping. Pour your chilled whipped cream into the cold bowl. Start your mixer on medium-high speed. You'll notice the cream begin to thicken and lose its airy quality, becoming more substantial. Continue whipping for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until stiff peaks form. This means when you lift the whisk, the cream holds its shape firmly. Be careful not to overwhip, or it might turn grainy. For an extra touch, consider adding a tablespoon of powdered sugar during the last minute of whipping for a slightly sweeter cream. Once your cream is ready, transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days, perfect for various uses. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, richer cream in all your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.